I always wanted to go green, so, you know, what better way to do it than produce energy down here with solar. My background is in the energy field, so I figured I'd help out a little bit the best I can. You guys gave me a call and I listened to what the guy had to say and it sounded good, so I went for it. It was good for financial reasons and, you know, payment options. Putting it through my escrow was a big plus, you know, so it worked out. Everything moved pretty good. I mean, as far as scheduling and stuff, I wasn't waiting a long time. I thought everybody was very professional and respectful, so that's a big plus with me. And they called me back when they said they would.